It does pay to be prepared. And when disasters strike when we least expect them to, nothing beats a well-prepared man in an unpredictable outdoor emergency. Stacking and storing survival food kits for these situations are very different from your everyday grocery shopping. Instead of looking for ingredients for your homemade pasta primavera, what you want to look for are nutrition, calories, shelf life, and convenience to sustain you and your family on the go for at least 3 days in a wilderness situation. Here are some of the best survival food kits you've got to see. Mountain House Multi-Day Emergency Food Supply Kits. If you're trying to find emergency food that is tasty and requires very little preparation, then this survival food kit is a great pick. It includes a unique variety of popular freeze-dried entrees packed in compact sizes for quick and easy storage and convenience during a wilderness situation. Do you like lasagna with meat sauce or granola with milk and blueberries? Well, look no further. ReadyWise Survival Food Supply Kit. If a bad storm or earthquake hits and you're off to bug out, you have to have enough food on hand to last you and your family for at least a week. The ReadyWise Survival Food Kit gives you just that. This survival food kit comes in starter kits with a variety of entrees per bucket for long-term emergencies. Talking about home-style meal in a hurry, their chili macaroni is a must-try. Northwest Fork Kosher Survival Food Kit. For a great selection of emergency rations with jam-packed nutrition, Northwest Fork has got you covered. It includes 6 resealable bags with amazingly nutritious servings that will keep you energized and focused in a survival situation. So if you're looking for a stash of healthy food with a very long shelf life that's easy to make, definitely give this survival food kit a look. These are just few of the top survival food kits that every prepper should have down the trail. But have you heard about a space-grade small-size tab as your survival food? Find out when you go to www.presentdayprepper.com.